You're going too slow, ma'am.
I'm just trying to help you. Well, that was just where you left it.
Wasn't right.
I'm not gonna say that. It wasn't the best.
All right, y'all, it's day 2, working on the driveway. We have got like a rough driveway, and now we're just trying to figure out how to lay the geotextile fabric from VEVOR. So we're gonna lay it down and see what's up, so we don't have no weeds coming through the driveway. And we're using this because it might be a little while before we can get the rocks scheduled for them to drop and put on the driveway. Pull it. Yeah, it's gonna go straight no matter what, and then it's gonna curve. You had it in the right spot. All right, y'all, so far we are looking decent. We got our first line on the outside tacked down. Wind is crazy out here, but it's tacked down, and we did that with the 4-foot piece. And now she's going back, about to get the rest of that part tacked down. You don't have to go so close on that because you know we're gonna overlay it.
Yeah.
So all the way down to the gate. Got it. I'm gonna grab this piece of rebar and bust somebody in the head with this. No, I'm gonna try to make this circle. We picked up some spray paint, some twine, and we gonna see about making that a real circle first off. So we'll get started, find the middle, get the perimeter done, so that we can continue to roll that out all the way around. See how far we can get. 16 it is. Okay, 16 there. Go that way.
You that.
Go that way. $16. That's way off, and that's an opening. 16. So do 16 and be done.
Thank you.
$16, huh? What's up? Ooh. Hey.
What?
I work with.
What?
All right. Here, I'll lift that up to the top part. All right. You're almost there, boo. This is the
Doubled over.
6-foot one, about 300 feet.
Yeah. There you go.
Bad on your knees. Let y'all know real quick, we reached out to VEVOR, let them know we needed some premium weed barrier. They got back with us. They were like, sure, we'll send you some out. It's 3.2 ounces. One of them is 4 foot by 300 foot. The other one's 6 foot by 300 foot. So let's get it.